Today I'm going to be sowing some radishes. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Right, so I sow rainbow radish. I'm going to do multi-cellular row. Okay, so one finger, I'm just going to go down to the first thing. Okay, so now I've got my rainbow radishes. It's just a nice mix of radishes. So what I'm going to do for a little bit more is fine, a little bit less is fine. These are quite old, these seeds, so I'm not going to be precious with them. And I don't really like radish, so I grow these for my grandma, so just nice to have them, really. There you go. Right, let's water them in well. And remember to label them. Okay. So I'll plant these out as soon as they're big enough to handle. And I'll be planting them underneath my brassicas so I can get a double harvest. Thanks for watching.